Hello there, it's Abhinav Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, the ongoing edition of IPL is very much on as thrilling encounters are taking place throughout the course of the tournament's earlier half. Here we have another encounter coming up between two former champions, Kolkata Knight Riders and Rajasthan Royals. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 24th of April 2021, the Wankhede Stadium Mumbai is going to host this encounter. Usually, this venue hosts high-scoring encounters. Do expect another match involving 180 to 200 runs to be right up on the cards. Do expect the surface to be decently flat for this matchup. To add up, a bit of moisture shall be left in and on the surface to provide the bowlers with a bit of help up front before turning into a flat surface with adequate and predictable pace, bounce and carry. I don't see spinners getting any help out of the surface. The spinners with furnished T20 skill sets are only expected to leave their mark among spinners. A high scoring clash coming up. The win-loss ratio of the teams chasing totals is quite unbelievable out there. Plus, the dew factor and the flatness of the pitch might strongly urge the toss-winning side to opt to field first. Rajasthan Royals, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Josh Buttler wicket-keeper, Sanju Samson captain, David Miller, Riyan Parag, Shivam Dube, Rahul Tewatia, Chris Morris, Jaydev Unadkat, Chetan Sakaria and Mustafizur Rahman. This team is almost down and out at the moment. It's just a matter of time when the biggest investments Parag and Samson begin performing as responsible players. The major problem with almost all of RR's investments is lack of consistency. The likes of Jaiswal, Samson, Parag, Tewatia, Unadkat and Gopal need to be consistent if RR are to even peep at the bigger picture. Last time around, they did miss Unadkat to pick wickets up front, hence he's expected to re-enter by replacing Gopal. Kolkata Knight Riders, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Sunil Narayan, Owen Morgan captain, Andre Russell, Dinesh Karthik wicket-keeper, Pat Cummins, Varun Chakravarthi, Kamlesh Nagarkoti and Prasidh Krishna. Similar woes for this side as well. Lack of consistency is haunting this side big time in batting. 1 minute up and other minute down is really being this side's batting unit's unintentional motto. When the top order performs, the middle order disappoints and vice versa. Need to perform as a unit. In bowling, it's just that the absence of economical pacers isn't helping them to stamp their authority. Changes in the combination isn't expected, but the attempts to changes in the tactical execution is expected to take place. RR have a lot of problems to cope with. Over-dependence on foreign players is really hurting them as they don't have as many overseas campaigners to play with at the moment. But it's the best time for their unsung investments to take a step forward and grab their opportunities. You never know if those players pull off a win here or there on such a high-scoring ground. Nevertheless, it's quite unlikely to happen. I'm expecting the side with lesser issues, that is KKR, to win the clash. Take care.